While you're here now. There you go. On. Last night. So last night I was in Bali. I'm in Bali right now. I'm in bed on my own. And the reason I sound like this is because, as you can see, riding a bike without a cycle helmet, a proper safety helmet. Now, you may be thinking like, why are you putting this on the internet? Honestly, because I'm sat here right now like this, I've got cuts and grazes and bruises and I can't walk. Please, 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 if you watch my travel videos and you decide to come to Indonesia or Thailand or Vietnam or any of these other countries where you rent scooters, bikes, please wear a helmet. I'm going to use this as a wake-up call, but you've got to learn as a man from a mistake, a big mistake.
It's so painful. It feels like, I don't know, I can't do that. Because the kneecap is right there, the bone is right underneath it.
You can literally see it.
Upper deck boarding today. We're in Dubai right now. Just getting lifted up onto this thing. As you can see, my leg is kind of swollen. This is Dubai for those of you who've never seen it before. So I've just been given this menu, which is the food and drinks menu. And I've just found my favourite. Espresso martini. Well, I can't have it because I'm on antibiotics, what a waste. So this is all pretty snazzy. Got my own little mini bar. Some fruit juice and Pepsi and shenanigans. This turns into a bed. Nice big screen. It's all pretty good. Gonna read me book. I don't feel like I have very much power right now. Alright, back home in my granddad's car. First time I've been back in 2018 and it's to see a bloody surgeon. It looks alright now, kind of. It's just a little bit patchy. That one's still kind of gammy. That one looks okay. That one looks kind of gammy. I need to have a shave because I look kind of gross. But yeah, I'm back in England. I've come back in England to see a couple of specialists. I don't have the results back yet, so I can't tell you. Sorry if you wanted this to be like a comprehensive what's wrong with George video and hopefully we never have to hear about it again video. There will be updates and I'm not probably going to make another video on it unless it's super serious, which, touch wood, I hope it isn't super serious. But if you don't follow me on Instagram, I've been doing all of like the daily updates on how I'm feeling and what's the progress with this ugly mug on Instagram, on my stories and on a post. So if you don't, link is in the description, follow me. Yeah, I don't want to make tons of videos on this because no doubt this video will probably do better than all of my other travel videos I've worked really hard on recently because it's drama, I guess, an incident. But I'm feeling very lucky. I know that my actions were very arrogant, very reckless, very stupid. I don't need anyone else to tell me that. I know people will tell me that, but I've learnt my lesson fully. I won't ever be doing it again. And that's why I wanted to make this video, because I want to kind of like, and I think this is just who I am as a person. If anything goes wrong, I try and look for the positives. And I feel like if you can start doing that in life, you don't let problems weigh you down. You use your issues to become a stronger and a better person, as opposed to letting it dig you your own kind of grave almost. I'll probably spend more time talking about that kind of concept in another video, but what I've learned from this is never to be too confident in your own abilities, never to be too comfortable in your own surroundings that you're with all the time, to think that health and safety are not important, because they are the most important thing, particularly when you could be putting other people's health and safety at risk as well. I was very lucky that there was no one else coming around that corner at the time. If they were, I could have knocked them off their bike and it would have been my recklessness which would have caused their injury as well. That's always a what if scenario, but it's something to think about in the future when you're actually making these potentially stupid decisions. I know what I've done, I've learned from it, and I've made this video in the hope that you can take a look at my face right now and never want to go out and be stupid on a scooter or a bicycle or a moped or anything ever again. So yeah, that is the end of this video. Not going to say anything more on the matter unless the scans and the tests that I've had done come back with anything major, which is going to prevent me making videos. The Thailand series will resume tomorrow, and then the Australia series will commence as soon as the Thailand series is done. But yeah, thank you for everybody. I've had literally like 4,000 or 5,000 messages on Instagram in particular over the last few days. I've not been able to respond to them all because there's been so many, literally like 5,000, which is very kind. I appreciate it. I'm doing well. Walking is still a bit of an issue, but we're going to get over that. It's a minor issue. It's all surface layer wounds, hopefully. But yeah, I'm just going to be recovering at home for the next week or so, and I'll be back out in Bali towards the middle to the end of March. Whew. Okay, this is a weird video. I'm going to call it a day. Catch you guys later. Bye.